Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you change your Snapchat username multiple times. So first of all, I'm just gonna go ahead and open my Snapchat. And now I want you guys to go to your profile. Okay, now on the top right you press on the settings tab, and now we're gonna press on our username. So now there's this option to change my username, so I can go ahead and change my username. Now it says your username can only be changed once a year. So if you want to change your username once, well, that is quite easy. You can just go ahead and change your username, but you have to be really careful with that because it cannot be done more than once a year. So what do we do if you want to do that more than one time? Well, to simply answer that, all you gotta do is you gotta delete your account, honestly, because that is the only way for you to change your username, because username cannot be changed. Or you can reach out Snapchat support, and most probably they're just gonna decline your request because this is undoable. So mostly if you want to change your username, you're probably looking for a change on Snapchat, so you might as well go ahead and delete your account. So it's gonna open this page up, and it's gonna ask for your password and your username, and then you can go ahead and change delete that account, and then you shall be able to recreate your account with the same phone number and email address, but with a different username. So that is pretty much all you needed to know about this from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.